how to make money on Freelancer as a language tutor. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors or the business owners. So for example, if I was a visitor or a business owner who come to this platform to find a language tutor to hire him for a job or a project, I will just go to hire freelancers in here and go with my skill. Then I'm going to search for a language tutor. For example, I'm going to go with hire translators and go to hire other translators. Then I'm going to search or check all of the higher expert translators in this platform. I'm going to check their profiles. So here click on see more translators and you'll be able to see their profile, how much they're getting paid per hour, their reviews, where are they from, and their description as well, their headline. So for example, let's check this one's profile. And the freelancers in this platform are hired based on their profile. How are they talking about their skill? If they have everything in here verified, that also counts. And how many completed jobs they have. Also, how many likeliness they have to accept a project, their reviews, and their average rating for all completed projects, and their description, their portfolio also. So here let's check their reviews. So this one have pretty much always 5 ratings, 5 stars as a rating. So I'm showing you this to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you or teach you how you can create your own profile like those people in order to showcase your skills as well. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile. So here, let's click on earn money freelancing. And here, make sure to fill these usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login. And let's give it a few seconds to proceed to our dashboard. So this is our dashboard. It's where we can control everything in our profile. So here, go to your top right and you'll be able to see everything about your account and finances. So here you can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, your settings. And for the finances, you can check your balance, add funds, withdraw funds. You see your transaction history, see your financial dashboard, your payment sharing, and also you can check your support. You can invite friends or log out from the platform. So let's go up, go to view profile. And here, as you can see, we have a lot of adjustments to make to our profile. It's pretty much very empty. We have 0 reviews, 0 money, 0 likeliness to accept a project, 0 jobs completed. We have 0 on everything. So let's start with editing our profile. So here, click on edit profile. And as you can see, we'll need first to verify your email. And after verifying your email, then make sure to add a profile picture, because no one will accept to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. Then make sure also to upload a cover photo as well. It's very helpful. Then when you're done with those photos, you proceed to the verifications. And if you remember in the first or in the beginning of the video, I told you that it's very important to have all of those verifications in check, because clients lean to work with freelancers who have all of these verifications in check because they trust them more. So make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers in here, and make sure to verify your identity, verify your payment method, verify your phone number, your email. We talked about it before. And also make sure to connect your Facebook account. It's really helpful to add it as well. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate, and then you enter your professional headline, the headline that you want to have in your profile. After that, you proceed to the summary. So here in the summary, you're going to talk about your skill. Where did you learn that skill? Why did you choose that skill from the other skills that you can learn? Talk about yourself. How many years of experience do you have? Where did you previously work? And all of those sort of things. After that, you proceed to enter in your skills. So here you can enter your skill. You can enter up to 20 skills. So let's remove this first, and then let's select a skill or search for one. We have a language tutoring, and we can go with language. Here you have natural language processing, language tutoring, large language model. We have natural language processing, and we have translating, if you can do translating as well, or if you can do English spelling, you can do Hindi translator, Danish. So we have a lot of translating jobs. As you can see, you have a lot of translating and captions jobs if you want to do them as well. And when you're done with choosing your skills, scroll down and click on save to save those changes. After that, you proceed to enter in your portfolio. It's also helpful with getting trust. Same thing with your experience, education, qualifications, and publications as well. And when you're done with filling or making all of these adjustments to your profile, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browse in here, click on projects. Then you will be able to see all of the posted jobs that are looking for freelancers with your skills to hire them. So if you find any job that fits your requirements, you can apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.